Say mama. Mama.
Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back sa channel ni Celine. So, good morning tita andito. Magandang araw everyone. Update lang namin kayo guys. Kasi hindi kami nakapag-vlog for a few days now. And ito yung dahilan kung bakit wala tayong vlog. So, lahat kami dito sa bahay ay nagkasakit guys. Today is Tuesday. And since Friday morning, ito yung unang nagkasakit. So, sa kanya talaga nanggaling yung virus. So, Friday morning, dapat sana meron kaming, first time sana namin doon sa mom's group. Para ma-socialize natin tong ating baby girl. Unfortunately, she had a bit of a fever. So, hindi kami natuloy. Uy, anak! Anak! Agoy, not that one. So, hindi natuloy yung lakad namin guys. And then, so nagkaano siya, meron siyang ubo tsaka sipon. And until now, actually, meron pang ubo at sipon. Ayan. Pero, wala na siyang lagnat. So, dumating yung Saturday. Dapat sana, Saturday night, we had, celebration with our family here in Brisbane. Kasi maraming celebration guys. Birthday ni Paris, birthday ng tita Christine ko, graduation ng pinsan kong si Joy. Basta marami dapat sanang guys, book ng restaurant para sa lahat. Para doon magtipon-tipon. Here. And because meron ng hindi maganda yung pakiramdam ni Baby Celine, hindi kami tumuloy. Si Daddy Mike tsaka si Ate Paris naman guys, mabuti yung pakiramdam nila din. So, ako, nag-start na akong magka-sore throat and magkasipon. The same day, ito niya. What is wrong? Oh, yeah. There you go. Sit down with Mama, babe. So, kaya nag-decide ako na hindi kami punta ng doon sa celebration with the family. But then nga, kasi na-promise na kay Ate Paris na, parang na-expect na sa Ate Paris ba na pupunta kami. So, ayaw kong ma-disappoint siya. Ma-heartbroken siya guys kasi nag-expect talaga siya na pupunta kami. Kaya yung nangyari is, pinapunta ko si Ate Paris tsaka si Daddy Mike. So, kami ni Baby Celine na iwan dito sa bahay. But before ko sila pinapunta, guys, I took rapid test para sa COVID. Just to make sure na I'm clear. Kasi kahit na maganda yung pakiramdam ni Ate Paris tsaka ni Daddy Mike, guys, ayokong maging irresponsible na papuntahin ko sila doon while I'm sick. We're sick. Kasi hindi natin alam, baka hindi lang nila naramdaman. Tapos ako, affected pala. And, so I made sure na clear ako bago ko sila pinapunta. So, the result came back and I was clear. Wala akong COVID, guys. So, anak, what would you like, Papa? So, the whole night, kami lang dito ni Baby Celine sa bahay. And, umuwi si Daddy Mike tsaka si Ate Paris around, maybe 10 o'clock at night. And when they came home, Daddy Mike started to feel sick. So, and then Ate Paris was still okay. The next day, guys, oh my goodness, so si Daddy Mike na naman. Ako meron pa akong nararamdaman, but then you know what, kung nanay ka guys, parang hindi mo na iniisip yung sarili mo kasi yung anak mo merong sakit. So, I don't have, parang wala akong karapatan na magkasakit. Hindi naman sa walang karapatan, guys, but yun yung nafe-feel ko na as long as kaya ko pa naman, I don't worry about myself too much, you know what I mean? Kasi iniisip ko si Baby Celine, maging okay si Baby Celine and all. So the next day, Saturday guys, my goodness, si Daddy Mike na naman yung nagkasakit. Pinapunta ko muna si Baby Celine sa kwarto guys kasi payak-iyak. Nandun siya naglalaro with her ate and daddy. So, as what I mentioned, si Daddy Mike na naman yung nagkasakit Saturday. And then, Saturday night, nag-start na rin si Ate Paris. Sobrang nag-spread talaga yung virus dito sa bahay, guys. And, si Paris na naman yung nagkaubo, sipon, tsaka may lagnat. And then, Sunday, si Baby Celine kasi, guys, on and off yung kanyang fever. So, I just give her Panadol on Nurofen, and, nagiging okay siya. But then, Sunday afternoon, I took her temperature, and alam niyo ba, 38 point something yung kanyang temperature. So I decided na tumawag na ng doktor kasi parang high fever na yun ba. So alam niyo naman kapag linggo, guys, dito mostly close lahat yung kanilang medical center. So luckily, yung clinic kung saan ko siya dinala for her vaccination, 4-month vaccination niya, open sila hanggang 4 o'clock at tumawag ako around 2:40, ganun. So may time pa kami. I called them, and then I told them what happened, and then they said, yeah, we'll ask the doctor first if they will let you in, kasi obviously nakapag-check ako sa sarili ko kasi bumili kami ng wala dito pakita ko ay insert ko na lang yung video, guys, kung saan I took the rapid test. And si Celine kasi walang test. So sinabi ko sa kanila kung ano nangyari, and sabi nila, yes, you can come in. You can come in. You can come, but the doctor will come out sa car park. And sa car park gagawin yung pag-test kay Baby Celine. So that moment, guys, kasi alam niyo naman kung ano yung nangyari sa sasakyan din natin, diba? Wala kaming sasakyan. So it means I had to take Uber. And alangan namang ipaghintay ko yung Uber, diba? So Uber took us there. Dinrap lang kami. And then buti na lang hindi umuulan. So naghintay kami ni Baby Celine sa car park. At doon chinek lumabas yung doktor at chinek si Celine and all. And when we were there, Celine was actually...
I will show you Lava Girl.
Lava Girl? Okay, Mama will show. Okay. Say hi, Tita and Tito.
Hi, Tita and Tito.
Tingnan nyo, meron pang sipon to siya ba? Okay, I'll show you. I will go and have a look, okay?
Okay, come have a look.
Yeah, I'll show Tita and Tito as well. So, pagkadating namin doon, guys, chinek nila yung temperature ni Baby Celine, and it was 38.5. And what they've done a swab test as well for the coronavirus. And checked everything, the ear, the throat, and then we came home. And then, yeah, fast forward, guys, yesterday, Monday, si Daddy Mike hindi nag-work kasi he's not feeling well. He's got cold and cough, and he's also having fever. But then I had a call from the doctors yesterday about the test kay Baby Celine. The doctor said that it's just a common virus na, she probably got it somewhere. Hindi ko alam kung saan. But, yeah, she's negative. So, it's fine. We're not positive here ng corona, guys. I think we just have the common virus, cough and cold, and that dito sa bahay. So Tuesday today, Daddy Mike still hindi pa rin nag-work kasi hindi pa rin maganda yung pakiramdam niya. He was feeling better last night. Nag-usap-usap na kami, but then after that, yeah, he started to feel bad again. And then again this morning. And then the weather is not helping as well because it's raining. We need stuff. We need to go to the grocery shop para bumili ng mga kakailanganan dito sa bahay. Tapos wala kaming car, so we have to walk. And it's raining, so there's no chance that, I'm gonna take the kids out kapag umuulan kasi we're sick enough. Ayoko nang magkasakit pa sila ulit. So, ulit more na magkasakit pa kasi, they're still not 100%. And even me, kung naririnig niyo yung boses ko ngayon, I still sound nasally. Meron pa rin akong cold. So, yeah. Dito muna kami sa bahay. Like, yeah, hindi kami... Sunday, lumabas ako kasi I went to the chemist para bumili ng mga, Diamedin, ayan, for Baby Celine. Kasi, I noticed na parang hindi niya to gusto itong Nurofen. Sinusuka niya. Tapos sabi ng doctor, try this one. I also got some Vicks Vapor Rub. I got some, you know, eucalyptus oil and that for the humidifier namin sa bedroom para while we're sleeping. I think it's helping naman a little bit. So at the moment, we're just not very well, guys. Kaya hindi ako nakapag-vlog, hindi ako nakapag-edit. And, yeah, we're just not well. But, you know, again, me as a mother, like, I just try my hardest na, parang maging okay ako para maalagaan ko yung mga maliliit. Kasi, oh my goodness, paano na lang. And they're in the bedroom right now. Ayan, kasi hindi makaalis-alis. So,
Look at Lava Girl.
Lava Girl? Did you make that one yourself?
No, both us, Mama.
Both you and Daddy?
Yeah.
That's very
I'm
nice.
making a cage.
A cage? Ito, nakabase na to siya, guys.
Put
Kasi
that a
dapat
little bit
sana
closer, like
punta
this,
kami ng
so
shops
you
maglalakad.
don't
But then it's raining again. So, sabi ko, wag.
There we go.
Hello, sweetie girl. Lini. Hi, how you feeling? Ayan, nakabase na rin siya, oh. Knock now, but it's raining, so hindi ko sila ilalabas. That's a big one, my love.
Why is it not staying on?
Slay, look.
Because you need something down here
Winnie.
to balance it.
Winnie. Look.
But we have to balance it like this so we
Like
can
this.
make a catch.
Look.
Yeah, put something here. Hindi ko papakita si Daddy Mike, guys, kasi, yeah, he's not feeling the best. Lahat dito may
Now look at this
sipon
one.
at ubo.
We need one more. Oh, Slim.
Nagsuob naman kami kahapon ba yun? So, nagano ako ng yung pan, mainit na tubig, tapos yung 2 scoops of Vicks, tapos itong dalawa pinapasok ko. Nak, did it help, nak? Suob. Ay, Diyos, my poor little girl. Ewan ko, guys, kung saan niya nakuha ang virus. Kasi nanggaling talaga sa kanya, kasi she was the one who felt sick first. Tapos sumunod ako, tapos sumunod si Daddy Mike, and then Ate Paris. Tinanong nga kami ng doktor if she is going to childcare. Kasi normally, yung virus nakukuha sa childcare kasi nga lahat yung mga kids, diba? But then, no, she's not. And it's very interesting where she got the virus from.
Yeah. Are you making a cage for Celine?
We're just gonna, you know, rest
I'll block her up. You could
for a few more days,
make a
guys,
block
kasi,
and but
you know, we'll get better. We'll get there. And I'm just very happy na hindi naman siya, corona.
Celine!
There's no COVID.
he's grabbing it.
Dahil sa kaka-low ng aking ilong. Tingnan nyo, parang ano na siya dito.
Celine, are you making a cage for
Pulang-pula na
Celine?
siya dito, guys. Kailangan ko na ng bagong ilong.
No, up.
Sinong may, may bagong ilong dyan? Padala naman ng bagong ilong dito.
Lock.
Oh my
You gonna
goodness.
lock? Are you gonna lock her in?
Yeah.
So she can't get out.
Paris. The Paris.
Yes, Mommy.
Yes, mommy. Hey, say hi sa your tito and tita. Say we miss you, tita and tito. We haven't vlogged for a few days.
We haven't slept for 2 days. Dad, I got the keys.
How are you feeling, Paris?
Good.
Good now? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Ayan siya, hindi pumasok today.
Yeah, Celine's cage.
Kasi meron nga siyang
I think we
ubo at
need
saka
more.
sipon. And then, I
Not
think
for
tomorrow, wala rin, guys. Kasi, obviously, hindi naman natin gustong papuntahin doon na meron pang hindi maganda yung pakiramdam.
Now.
Oh, she's cooking it.
Have you been naughty? Hey.
In 5 minutes, he's gonna come out.
Anak, you should make it bigger. Anak, have a look. Celine is not inside. Her leg's out.
Oopsie. There we go.
Whoa.
Now sinking it.
Oh,
Celine!
oopsie. The giant. The giant.
Don't break the wall, Celine.
We should break this.
Gusto nga sana namin mag-bake ng cupcake, guys.
Oi!
Since yesterday. Kaya nga lang, we ran out of eggs. Kailangan talaga namin pumunta ng grocery. Sana mag-stop na yung ulan para makapag-bake kami na Paris. Because Paris loves baking, don't you, honey?
Yeah, I do love cupcakes. Daddy, I really need some of this one.
Hey, Josh!
Sorry, I'm just trying to get Celine in jail.
Daddy, use this one to go. Oopsies. Sorry. Oops, I'm moving it.
Natamaan talaga ang lahat ng
Daddy,
virus.
we need
Grabe.
this.
Pero buti na lang hindi.
Oh, Celine!
Ano?
Right
Where's-
here, Daddy.
Celine's a real criminal.
Yeah.
Ah! He's coming out now. I built it now. Just build it.
Is Celine a jailbird? Go to jail, Celine.
They to jail.
Stay in jail, naughty girl.
He gave everyone the virus.
Yes.
Daddy, we should
Lady.
Daddy, put it on.
Look at her, she's a menace.
Are you inside the jail? Oh my goodness! Hi!
It's coming out.
Hello! Tingnan niyo ang jail ni Baby Celine.
Wow.
Lady! Do you wanna come out?
On.
Do you wanna come out?
Right already. I got the more. Mommy.
Nagsuot na ng sapatos ko kasi
My dad made this.
lumiwanag na siya sa labas, guys. Na magiging okay na yung ano siguro. Hindi na umuulan. Lini! Are you ready? Sorry, taking the advantage, guys, habang hindi pa umuulan. Labas-labas din. What's that? Is that for Mama?
Let's have a look with this.
No, for someone else, anak.
Okay.
Put it back and we can put it in the bin later. Hello! Pasilip-silip ng baby! Hello! Sobrang basang-basa ng ano. It's very warm, Nadia. Very humid. Come on, my love.
My daddy put me another band-aid on.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, cause the other one bright.
Okay.
Ah!
Very humid. Nagdala ako ng ayan, bag kasi palagi namin nakakalimutan, guys. Ang dami nang na-stock na ganito sa bahay ba. Hindi nagagamit, sayang. Especially yung ganito, it's $1 ba each. Apparently, from tomorrow, magiging okay na yung panahon. Hindi na ulan. I hope so, kasi ako, magbabaha na naman, ewan ko na lang. Good job! We're home, people. Dito na aming napamili. Ito lang yung binili namin, guys, kasi nga naglakad kami, diba? So, kailangan namin buhatin lahat. Eggs. Here. Ayan, makakagawa na tayo ng cupcake niyan. Then, yeah, the family's here. Daddy Mike, ay chinek ko lang, guys. So, meron pa kaming naiwan na isa dito, yung COVID-19 test ba. So, yung isa ay ginamit ko last time, which was negative. And then, we just, yeah, waiting for this one. Ayan, kay Daddy Mike. Kasi hindi na naman maganda yung pakiramdam niya, guys. At the moment, it's showing 1 line, but it says wait for 15 minutes. So, it's only been maybe 2 minutes. So, ayan. So, hindi maganda ang pakiramdam ni Daddy Mike natin. So, yeah. And then, Ate Paris is there. We're gonna make a cupcake. I'm just gonna put everything away, huh?
Yeah, just put the bags.
And then I'll let you know once it's ready. Okay? Alright. And this one here, ay, kinakain na ang kanyang headband. What are you doing? Why are you eating your head when you're hungry? Actually, gonna feed this one too. Take this up, man. No, tell her to say mama.
Say mama. Mama. Mama.
Tell her na. Tell her na.
Say mama. Mama.
Yeah!
Smiling.
Say mama.
Mama.
Ayun, nak. Ganito ba?
Say ma. Ma.
Mama.
Mama.
Tell her na.
Say ma. Ma. Oh, that's cute.
Before tayo mag-bake ng ating cupcake, guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo na pabili natin from the shop. Got nappy for baby Celine, nappy pants for Ate Paris. We have Milo. What's this? Oh, Barista Blend. I don't know what this one is. Milk? Something that I put that in here. Ito yung ano. Nagbili kami ng isa kasi just to make sure na baka nawala namin yung isa pa. So, ayan. Ito yung Flow Flex. Careful, Paris, ha? Yung check ng COVID-19 and it was $17. This one, corn tins, milky, some organic carrot puffs for Selene, blueberries, yoga for Ate Paris, and some food for Celine to try. Ayan, beef, sweet potato, and parsnip, sweet potato, carrot, and barley. Ayan. That's it for the first bag. Ano ba ito? Yes, let me just put this all away now and we can take it up. Have a look. Finish that one. Up. Okay, you can have this one, please. Thank you. Thank you. Some butter croissants. The rice crackers, but this one is guys, vegan. Nak, careful, Nak, you might fall, Nak. If you're gonna fall, rice, 1 kilo lang yung binili ko, guys, kasi diba? Mom, yes, my love. How about you talk to Celine, Nak, so we can start making the cupcake. Here's thing for the cupcake. Wipes, some multigrain, Nutri-Grain, apple juice, some baby rice, the cleaning stuff, glue, protein bar, pacifier for Celine because sobrang dami nang binili, 100, ayaw mo lang naiwan. So I bought another 2. Got water. The last plastic paper bag. Ayan. Corn. Mama! Pistachio. Oyster sauce for cooking. What's this one? Crumpets. Tea. Madali ang ito, guys. May umiiyak na naman. Chocolate hazelnut spread. Prune juice. Yakult. So, yun na yun, guys. Yan ang ating family from the grocery. And yeah, this will be enough for now. And then, sa Ate Paris ay gustong mag-bake na ng cupcake. So, ilalagay ko lang po sila sa cupboard. Tapos, mag-bake kami ng cupcake. Kasi tingnan nyo, may isang paiyak-iyak doon, no? Celine! Lily! I see you! Alright, so we got everything out. It's currently 3 o'clock in the afternoon, people. And what are we doing, Paris? Making some cupcakes. So what have you got there?
We got this one, tray, bowl, eggs, butter, and milk.
You don't know anything.
And?
You have no right showing up to my house and making things weird.
Eggs.
This one.
You're cool, okay, and summer was fun.
It's the cupcake mix.
Cupcakes mix. Let's open it.
Yeah. Can I open it now?
Can I take it in there and use the egg and stir it?
Yeah, of course. We'll use this one first. How many? Only 4 left, Mandana.
These one got some love because it got one.
Yeah, so open the box now. Yummy apple.
I don't want it to be 28-7. I don't want it to be 35-0. You hear me?
Yung ating baby cylinder nandun, oh. Daddy. Balik, iyak ko eh. Yung ano pala guys, yung result. So, it's been 15 minutes now. That's the result. Hindi mag-focus eh. But yeah, it's only one line, so it's negative.
While my life is pretty much over,
Happy?
you are living your best life already.
But there's more.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
Oh, we can use that one as well. Diyan na ang aming nagawa. Kulang guys. Kulang isa. Nalagyan namin siguro ng mas, marami dyan. Ayan guys. Amateur mo ito. Whoa!
A few moments later.
Ayan na ang resulta ng aming baking.
That's touch it if it's cold or hot.
Touch it.
My touch.
Touch it. See?
They're really cold.
Do you want to try it now?
Maybe let's do a frosting first.
You want to do the frosting? Frosting?
The frosting and that's
We'll try it first now. And then we'll make frosting later.
can we do the sprinkles? Ew.
Yum?
Okay.
Tingnan niyo si Celine guys ha. Kakain ako nito. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang mukha. Kanina pa ganun siya. She opened her mouth too.
My should we
Sip ulo na bata.
should we put the frostings and the sprinkles?
Yummy. We'll make the frosting. I'll put Celine down.
It's up here. And Mama, what with the sprinkles?
Why you sipon nga ba ito?
Some sprinkles and the cupcake.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Where's your sprinkle?
It's up there.
What'd you say?
I want to come to my house.
Do you want your friend to come?
I want him to come to my house so we can have cupcakes together because I share a cupcake.
Oh, that's sweet. We'll tell her next time, okay?
I just
So
have
Paris
the-
just putting, what are you putting on the cupcake?
frosting and with some sprinkles in the crust.
So ito yung, show tita dito your sprinkles, babe. So, got different shapes. What are the shapes?
This is circles. This is rainbows. These ones looks like Bo's one.
Lini.
This is a unicorn one. And that's old.
That's all. Thank you. Nahayaan ko na yan siya, guys. Oy. Do whatever you want, my love. Let her explore. Lini! Lini! Ay, Lini ka talaga, nak. Okay, nakapink ka, nak. Come here. Come here. Very messy pang mesa natin, guys.
I told
Daddy Mike ay
Ivan at
nakatulog.
school if he wants to come to my house, and he said yes.
Yeah, we can talk to her mom. Okay? You finished yet?
No, I just have to do.
Just put frosting in the one that you're going to eat, that one, okay? And then we can put later on if you want more. So if this is the one you want to eat, put frosting and put some. This one, how do you call that one?
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles. Okay. The 3, just the 3 for now, okay? We can put later on if you want more.
Mommy, I think we should cross this one first.
Okay.
Because there's got a little bit of brown here.
Okay. Good job.
Can we save one for Ivan as well?
Okay.
Because I want her. Here, mine. Finish now.
Okay.
Now, let's
Now you put some sprinkles.
My Ivan can have the circle. Ivan can have this one.
Can I have the, what's the other one, Nakbe? Can I have the, is that rainbow? Oh yeah, can I have the rainbow? Oh no, I'll have this one instead.
Mommy, that one makes a lot.
Yeah, that's fine. This is mine, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I want to choose this one. Okay.
Lini. Walalala. Wal. What did you do?
It just went in the.
Si Lini, tinitingnan niya ang kanyang daddy. Ang gising na pala ang daddy niya, kaya... Lili.
There we go, Mike.
Thank you, my love. You can put it in your hand, I can do it like that.
Okay, that's a great idea.
I know. See? It's enough. Thank you. Ask Daddy if he wants one.
Daddy, do you want cupcake? He wants one. Okay. I'll choose one for Daddy.
Yeah, you should later.
Maybe this one?
Yeah.
Mommy, maybe I should have the rainbow one. And
A few moments later.
Hello, everyone. Hello. It's nearly 9 o'clock. At ito ay matutulog na. Dapat sana guys ay 8 o'clock ay tulog na to siya. Kaya lang, late siya nag-nap kanina. Nak na. Si Ate Paris natin ay kanina pa nakatulog kasi hindi nag-nap. So, sobrang aga nakatulog. Nasa bed na. This one here is still awake. But she is going to sleep very, very soon. Nak na. Daddy Mike's just there. Are you feeling better, Daddy?
Get out there and discover your own backyard.
ating TV.
The holiday you deserve at Webjet.
Ang ating TV ay nangurat. Ang ating TV ay nangurat. La 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 la. Hello. Shush, shush, shush. We go to bed now. Shush. Ayan, ang pagpatulim-dulim yung aking baby girl. Na-vlog mo na ni mama, baby. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.